This is a 2013 Scion FRS, arguably one of the most popular tuner cars on the market today. Now, unfortunately, this car has seen better days. We have a damaged front bumper, we're missing a headlight. I mean, check out this roof wrap. This must have been applied a couple years ago. It's absolutely destroyed. We have a completely destroyed carbon fiber trunk and some clapped out suspension. So the car is incredibly filthy, as you can see. It looks like it's been sitting outside for a very long time. We're gonna transform this car with a mountain of parts sourced from throtl.com. We've got a Street Hunter Designs body kit, ST suspension, Morimoto headlights, rotiform wheels, Falcon tires, and a Nosatec wrap, and much more. The crazy part is we only have 48 hours to transform this box, so let's get started.
Quinn, how's she drive?
Transmission doesn't have a shift knob in it. It doesn't have a shift knob at all. It's gone. The suspension is nice and clunky. It just doesn't feel good, man. We got a lot of work to do. FRS is back in the shop. It is nice and clean, but it is not clean enough for us to apply a vinyl wrap. So what we're gonna be doing next is detailing, and we're gonna clay bar this entire car to get all the contaminants off of the paint. I'm gonna get a clean surface here, we're gonna need it. Just listen. I'm gonna get a clean surface here, we're gonna need it. Just listen. Oh, sounds like sandpaper, dude.
It really sounds like sandpaper.
Just from here to here. This thing is disgusting, bro. That's crazy.
Here we have our Nosatec premium wrapping film. We're gonna go ahead and cut into it and show you guys the color.
What we got there?
Man, really unique color. So this is super gloss metallic hunter jade, and it's actually really close to the Millennium Jade that came on the Skyline. First order of business is to get this unpackaged because we need to start wrapping the fenders. So let's get it out of the box and get going.
Real quick, I want to remind you guys that February 15th is coming up quick, and that is the final day to get your car entered for Throtl Dream Build 8. If you want us to build your car here in the Throtl shop, join Throtl VIP, get your car entered. VIP also has a ton of other benefits. You're gonna get 5-time entries for sweepstakes cars. You can enter the Dream Build. You're also gonna get exclusive discounts on apparel as well as car parts on the site. So head over to throtl.com, join VIP, and get your car entered so we can build it here. So next up we have CJ from Ghost Wraps coming down. He's gonna help us knock out the front and rear bumpers on this thing, so let's keep going. CJ just finished our Street Hunter front bumper, and it looks amazing with the black inlays. Look really nice. What do you think, Ricky?
I know, whose idea was this?
I don't know, it wasn't mine. I cannot wait to see this on the car. It's gonna look so good.
It is time for me to actually start working on it. We have more and more headlights that we're going to be installing, replacing this yellow, nasty old headlights. So let me show you. Look at this. Black housing, LEDs, projector headlights. One thing we know about Morimoto headlights is that they're super bright, so I can't wait to put these things on. And the black with the wrap is going to look amazing. So let's get it done. Now, let's test it, because I haven't seen them on. So go ahead, Quinn, turn the key on. Boom, there you go. And it's an option that you have. You don't have to run them, but of course, hey, we got headlights. Are headlights on? Sick. And hazard lights. Look at that.
Sequential? Damn.
Oh man. Big transformation. Now we have actual headlight. No more holes.
No more missing headlights.
That's it, baby.
These are sick, dude. So one of the most daunting things about transforming this car is getting this old junk wrap off. And I think we're gonna try and pressure wash all of it off.
I quit my team, I joined yours.
We're moving out today, so we decided to work.
The roof is done.
It's not done, but it's like done, right?
Almost
It's almost completely done. There's still some adhesive, there's still some glue on here, but we're gonna start wrapping the quarter panels. So we need to get this entire car dried off, like dry, so that the wrap will stick.
Let's get the front bumper on the car, baby.
Let's do it.
Ready?
Yes, sir. Let's see it.
Ricky's on his phone. He's not ready.
What? I was Googling this. Quinn, bring the saw, baby. We got something to cut. Look at this man. Look at this man. Hey, come down,
Bro, all right, I'm just gonna send it. Smells like nachos.
You're hungry.
saw that?
No, you're just hungry, bro. Next up, we are going to be prepping the car so we can start wrapping the quarter panels, the doors, which means we have a lot of work to do, like putting the car in jack stands. We got to remove the wheels, remove the door handles, the mirrors,
Side skirts, molding,
side
trim.
skirt. I'm sure there's going to be mud and dirt in there, so we got to clean all that up and prep it so the boys, so the boys can get to wrapping.
right.
I don't know how to wrap, so I'm sure Mickey and Sean are going to have a great time doing that. But for now, it's you and me's turn to prep it for them.
Let's get to work, baby.
Let's go! To the trash.
Hey! What's cracking?
Wrapping handles, baby. This is the first time I've ever really wrapped anything, ever.
Me too.
It's turning out alright so far. I mean, this piece is like,
Yeah, I did this one.
you know, it's alright.
I did this one. And then I did this. This belongs to your handle though. That's mine.
Also, they got the entire side of the car finished, which is way more than Rick and I have managed to do, so.
Hey, this took us 3 hours.
I'm not even done with mine, dude. Mine's still like in progress.
side of this car wrap by the time you get that handle done.
Oh, and they're gonna start on the other side of the car.
All right, no more rapping.
So I think we should actually start getting some parts on the car. First of all, the car looks amazing. It looks way
if you ignore like the top and the hood and stuff, it's just like, oh god, it looks so good.
It's gonna look even better if we get it on the ground on some nice wheels and tires. So
What do we got?
over here, we got some stuff we gotta put on the car. So I'm thinking.
Well, first of all, we're almost done, bro. We got.
What do you mean? We've
got
got the bumper on,
And
and we got half the car wrapped. We're not even close to being done. What are you talking about?
I guess
so. I think we get the suspension on.
So you want to start from the inside and work yourself out.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, so it'll be suspension and then brakes after.
Yeah, I think we
let's
should
get
do
it
it, dude. Let's do it. ST coilover's done. Suspension is fully installed on this thing, and we're gonna move on to the front brakes now because they need to be replaced. The pads are nice and low and the rotors are crusty and look terrible. So we're gonna get the factory stuff off and get our new stuff on. Let's keep going. Front brakes are finished, which means we're about ready to get this thing on the ground. So we're gonna slam a wheel and tire package on this. Of course, we got the Rotiform KPS wheels, really nice looking wheels. We're gonna wrap it in a Falcon Insignis FK510, 235/40, 018 all the way around. It's gonna be an epic setup. It's a really fantastic summer tire.
Wheels and tires mounted. They are balanced, all four of them. But before we keep going, I really want to put the side skirts on. Then we can mount the tires on, and then we'll have a finishing look, and then we'll throw it on the floor and see what happens. Yeah? Yeah,
let's do it.
All right, let's get it.
Let's do it, baby! Let's get these side skirts on. They're carbon fiber. They're actually really nice. We've got the wheels on and we're about to put this thing on the ground for the very first time since we did the suspension mods and with the new wheels and tires. Ready, Ricky?
Go, let's do it! How's the front bumper?
It's good. Oh, your money.
Oh,
you're good.
Oh, it's close, dude.
Hey!
Still on Jack. Jack's still under it. I can't get it out.
No way.
No.
We slammed it all the way in the front too?
Yeah, well, the problem is now the jack is stuck. Hold on. Hold on.
We have to raise the car.
Ready? Alright, hold on. Let me get this.
It's probably good.
That's so good. That's a proper low car right there, brother. That's what I'm talking about.
Alright, but there's a roll. Oh, we're set, bro. We're good.
Done, dude. It's dialed in. Yeah, drive it. Wheel and tire package in the back, tuck and wheel. Oh, it's so good, dude. It looks better than anything else.
All right, well, our pile over here in the corner is getting quite small, as you guys can see. We just have a few more things to do. As you can tell, we still have the roof to wrap, the hood to wrap. We still have to put the trunk and the rear bumper on. Now let's get started with the hood and the roof.
I'm gonna start swapping out the trunk and putting our back end back together. So the bumper back on, taillights back on, but dude, we're on the home stretch for this.
Man, this thing has seen better days, huh?
It's trash. Like here, it's trash. All in the corners, it's all smoke.
All right, well, ain't nothing to it but to do it. Let's get this roof wrapped, let's get this trunk off.
Let's do it, baby.
And get these new bits on.
The trunk is installed. It looks incredible. I love the design of this Street Hunter trunk. We also got the taillights back in and the bumper back on, and this car really looks super fresh.
It is time to clean this beautiful but dirty interior. Let me show you. It's not bad actually, but look, there's just a lot of garbagio everywhere. There's trash there, that needs a vacuum. The back, it looks, oh my God, well, I didn't see that much. But there's just, look, somebody was stepping on it, look. But no biggie, no problem. That's what we got McGuire's products, baby. We have a steering wheel to install from Street Hunters. We have titanium hardware from Street Hunters. Well, we got a hub, a quick release, and a throttle shift knob. Let's get it installed. Yo, this thing is sick, bro.
Dude, it's so dope.
It's so cool. All right, the steering wheel is completed. It's installed. It looks super sick, very comfortable. I love the titanium hardware. And I didn't even notice, but it says Street Hunter on it. On the little tiny bolts. That's crazy. Good job, Teach. All right, let's get the shift knob on. The white shift knob looks amazing next to the Street Hunter steering wheel. It literally, it matches perfectly. So I'm super happy with this, man. The interior looks perfect, looks clean. Brand new steering wheel, brand new shift knob. I'm down for it, man. Looks nice.
We've got the FRS up on the lift. We've got an oil change to do. We've got underglow to install. We've got a little bit of work to do underneath the car, and we're almost finished, so let's keep going. This thing's turning out insane.
So we've got a plastic grill that's gonna fill up these holes, and we're gonna use plastic repair to actually glue some tabs in place to hold the grill on.
Damn, looks good, Mick.
Yeah, it's gonna help a lot. It's a big opening to fill, and you don't have a intercooler or anything like that to put behind it. Just have this void. So plastic grill mesh, good stuff.
Oil change is finished. It's time for the last part of this build, which is underglow. So let's get it on. We pulled the FRS off the rack, we got it in the showroom behind us, and this car turned out absolutely amazing. We got a sheet on it, we're gonna pull it off in a second, but I want you guys to remember what this car looked like when it first got here. Completely destroyed, bodywork was destroyed, missing a headlight, front bumper was trash, stance was wrong, wheels offset was wrong, it was just bad. So this car had an amazing transformation in this video. I'm so excited for you guys to see it. Let's pull the sheet off, Ricky.
Let's do it, baby! Woo!
Also, the next episode you guys will see us, we are gonna be in
Puerto Rico!
baby. So we have a ton of fun content coming for you guys, so stay tuned. We'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace.
Pues para mi gente, los puertorriqueños, vamos a estar allá por 2 semanas y pico. Vamos a estar desde el 12 al 26. Donde nos van a ver en Prestige Performance. Los veo pronto.